And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 69. Let me show you the rotate tool. Activate the star tool. Let me flip the colors. I don't want to have a stroke. And I've already shown you, you can rotate that by right-clicking, transform, and then rotating. This opens the rotate menu. As long as you've got preview checked, you should see it. And you can also hover over the edges and then left-click drag to rotate. But there's also a specific rotation tool, and the shortcut for that is R, so that it's easy to remember. R for rotate. You can just left-click drag to rotate it. But one thing that has changed is we now have this, what is it, like a turquoise little plus sign or target sign, and you can reposition that. And that is actually the rotation center. So you can see that if I drag it to this spike becomes now fixed and everything else gets rotated around it. You can even drag it outside of the star and then rotate it around that point. So a rotation center doesn't have to be inside of your object, and that's very helpful. Let me create a new star and I hold Shift when I drag it. I activate the rotate tool. I drag the rotation center downwards, and now I can drag it around this point with the left click drag, but I can also hold Alt and then left click on this turquoise point. And this opens the rotation menu. And now we can not only do that numerically, so we can rotate it with a very specific value, but we also have a copy option. Let me first rotate it, let's say 50 degrees. I confirm we are okay. And you can see this counterclockwise. Once again, I hold Alt when I left click on this rotation center. And now instead of confirming we are okay, you can see when I check the preview, it jumps counterclockwise. I use copy, and this gives me a copy at the rotation position. So if I repeat that, I get all of these stars. And a shortcut that's good to know is Ctrl D, because that repeats the last transformation in this case, the last thing that you've done. So if I wanted to copy and copy and copy, I just press Ctrl D. Let me show you a simple use case. I press Ctrl R. We've got the rulers here. I drag two guides and it should snap to the center. I position my star like this, so the star is in center of the vertical guide. I activate the rotate tool and drag its rotation center to the center where the two guides overlap. Then I hold Alt and left click and make that 60 degrees because the circle has 360. I copy and then I press Ctrl D. And you can see how easy we can create a circle of stars that is equally distributed. You can resize that, rotate that, further reposition it. But let me go to View, Guides, and I clear the guides. And this has given us an easy way to create a symmetrical shape. And the principle can be used for many designs. It makes your life easier. Once again, Shortkey R for the rotate tool, and then hold Alt and left click on the rotation center to open the menu. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.